Hello everybody, and welcome to another unboxing video by Trendi Switch. Today here we have the ART-LDM in silver. Okay, so let's grab our scissors. Let's open it on up. Inside each box you'll get your product. You'll get a set of screws, which you'll be able to fit into any universal pattress box. And you'll also get two sets of instructions with the dimmer, which I'll show you in a second. But first, let's just take a look at the product. Okay, we'll start by giving you a 360 view. And then we'll remove the plate for installation. Okay, first thing you got to do is take off the dimmer, so nice and easy. Just take that off. And then the next part, you're going to want to take this plastic frame off. Okay, so with your fingers, grab at the edges and then just push forward with your palm. Comes off nice and easy, just like that. At the side here, your screw holes. That's where you're going to put your provided screws through to fasten to your pattress box. The dimmer is held in place by a lock washer and nut to make sure there is no movement there. Okay, let's flip it on over. You'll notice at the top here that it has the BS stamp on it, or better known as the British Standards. So you have peace of mind when you purchase this product. It has the 3 terminal hole screws at the top, a nice little Trendi logo there, and a brief summary of what this dimmer can hold. Okay, for the wattage and the load. Okay. These plates are interchangeable, so if you want to change the color around, you can, or if you just simply get tired of your old one, no problem. You can buy these plates online, put it on just like I showed you, and you're good to go. Okay, we'll grab our dimmer knob, put that on just like that. Okay, and then let's take a look at that instructional leaflet I was talking about earlier. Okay, on the one side, you have a bunch of different social media platforms. If you head on over to any one of these, give us a like or a follow. That'd be greatly appreciated. Flipping it on over, you have multiple ways that you can contact us, either by phone number, email, or live messenger. And in the bottom right-hand corner here, you have a Scan Me QR code. If you scan that, it'll take you directly to our instructional page, which will give you tips and tricks on how to install our products. Okay, and then let's take a look at that second instructional leaflet I was talking about that's specifically for dimmers. Okay, on the right side here, we have our single and our double dimmer and a diagram of the module. Okay, on the center here, is our wiring, the wiring process. And in the left here is your disposal information. And on the other side, starting from the right, is how to operate it properly, the installation, and then a more in-depth summary of the wattage, the voltage, the wattage, and the load that it can take here. Okay. And then lastly, let's just take a look at the bag that it comes in. Okay, at the back here is our SKU code, the ART-LDM for the dimmer, and SI for silver. Our barcode in the center there, and then another QR code here in the top left. If you scan that, it'll take you directly to our Trendi website, and you can see our full range of products there. Finally, flipping it on over, you'll notice a recycling symbol in the bottom right-hand corner here. So you know that this packaging that it comes in is completely recyclable. All right, there you have it. If you like videos like that, we try to upload one every day, so please make sure you're subscribed and that bell notification is turned on so you can stay up to date with everything trendy. Leave us a like and a comment down below as what you'd like us to do next. All right, thanks for watching and have a trendy day.